Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be taking you guys with me to shop at Burlington's. This is the first time I've done a Burlington's video where I've shown in some home decor. So at the end of the video, I show you guys all the home decor and stuff I find. There's decor, wall hangings, like everything home decor that I find. So I'm going to be showing you guys some makeup, skincare, hair care, and home decor products. If you guys are interested in seeing what I found at Burlington's, just keep watching. But before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. And let's go shopping at Burlington's. So I'm going to be starting with beauty products, and I'm going to be starting in the makeup first. And the first thing I seen are these Kiss eyelashes. They are $3.99. They are blowout lash. They are super simple and really cute, like a perfect everyday eyelash. Next is this e.l.f. Cosmetics little set. It is like a brush set, and it does all come in this little pink case right here. So this is just a brush set for $7.99. And then we have a little like hand lamp. This is really similar to Impressions Vanity, but it is like a knockoff brand. And this is $4.99. And that's a really good deal because you guys know Impressions Vanity is expensive. So then we have some CoverGirl mascara. This is full spectrum lash mascara. This is $2.99. And then there is BH Cosmetics glitter drops. I've never seen this before ever. These are these glitter drops for $3.99. And then we have another e.l.f. Cosmetics product, and this is Booster Drops. This is just like some kind of skincare. These were also $3.99. And then there is this little Disney princess lip set. It comes with a little lip balm and then a lip gloss. This is super cute. This was only $2.99. And this is actually Disney brand. This is really cute. I actually did buy this one for my daughter. And now we have a lipstick set by Manicator. I'm not sure if I said her name right, but this was $5.99. I have tried her lip products before, and I really do like them. I think these shades were really pretty, and I was almost tempted to buy this, and it was only $5.99 for a lot of different lipsticks. And now we have this, I'm not sure how you say this, if it's just EOS, but this is like a drugstore. I see this all the time in Target, these little lip balms and stuff, so I thought this was a good deal. This was only $3.99, and I'm pretty sure they are more expensive in the drugstore, especially at Target. And now I have these LA Color Lavish nails for $5.99, and I actually did buy these at Burlington's a while ago and did a video on them, and a lot of you were very interested in where you could buy them, so definitely check your local Burlington's for those press-on nails. Now we have some nail polish. This is a nail polish set. There's like a lot of variety of different colors in here. The set is $9.99. And I'm not sure the brand of that set. Now I'm going to be moving on to some skincare. And this is the Neutrogena makeup removing wipes for $4.99. And I'm not really sure how much they are in the drugstore, but I definitely think this is a good deal. I feel like they are more expensive at Walmart and Target. And now we have some more wipes, and this is Navina. I'm not sure. I can't say some of these names of these brands, but these were $4.99. And now we have some more Neutrogena. This is a face wash, oil balancing face wash for $3.99. And I do think these are good deals on this these products because I think they are more expensive at Walmart and stuff. I'm not 100% sure. I've never bought any of these, but I do think they are cheaper here. And then we have a Neutrogena Daily Exfoliator. This is also the oil balancing collection, and this was also $3.99. Now we have this sheet mask. This is by Acure. Again, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but this is a sheet mask, and this was $1.49. And now we have this hemp lotion for $10.99, and this is a good deal because literally at Ulta this is $20, and this lotion is the best lotion I have ever used ever. It's a great lotion, so you definitely should check it out, especially if you can see it for like $10.99. That's a really good deal. Now I'm going to be moving on to some like hair products, and first thing is these hair clips, and I was almost tempted to buy these. I think they're super cute. They were $4.99. And they're like super cute and like stylish. I thought they would be super cute, but I did pass on them. And then now I have some more hair clips. These hair clips, these are just like some bigger like hair barrettes. They were I believe they were $6.99. Okay, so next we have these Nike headbands. It is a whole like package of them, and I actually used to wear these a lot all the time when I was in school playing sports, and so this is a really good deal. They were only $6.99. Okay, so this is the last like hair product. They did not have like hair products. They only had like some hair accessories. Now I'm going to be moving on to sunglasses. They had a lot of different sunglasses. I didn't really take the time to go through each individual sunglasses, but they did have these Guess sunglasses right here. I thought these were super cute and a good deal because they are Guess. And then like I'm going to show you guys all the different sunglasses. I really didn't take the time to go through each sunglasses and show each price of it. But they did have a lot of great deals on sunglasses. Now, I seen this BB watch and I thought it was so cute. It does come with a couple different like wristbands you can switch in and out. You can kind of choose whatever wristband you want, and this was $24.99. I'm not really sure how much they retail for, but it says $40, so that is a good deal. Okay, so now we're going to be moving on to some home decor, and you guys can see it is fully stocked here. So I'm just going to be kind of going through and showing you guys all this home like decor. This is like a bunch of different accessories for your house. I'm going to be picking them up and like showing you, and I'm just going to show you because I cannot pick up like every item here, so I'm just going to be showing you guys mostly, and if I can see a price on an item I will show it. But I thought this little owl was cute on a bicycle, and it was $7.99. It's super cute, I think, and it has a little plant in the front of it. There was a lot of different, like, elephants. You guys will see later on, but there was a lot of these little elephants right here for some decor. I thought they were super cute. And you guys can see they have a lot of different home decor products, and they're all like, at my store anyways, they're all in like sections, like going with like, they all went together in each section. So if you kind of had an idea of what you wanted and what colors you wanted, you could go right to that section and look at it. They did have a lot of these little letters I just showed you guys. They had a lot of letters like that, and I thought that was super cute, especially those sparkly ones are super like cute for like a, like if you wanted to like have your last name, or like a little kid's room, you could spell out their name. So there is like a lot of different things, and most of this, like if I went through and picked up each item and showed you guys the price on each item, it probably would have took me like 3 hours. So I'm just kind of showing you guys highlights of each thing of what I thought was cute and stuff. So I thought this big feather was super cool, but I could not get to the price of it. It is really hard to try to like pick up these heavy things and show the price and still hold the camera at the same time. So this is my first time doing like a home decor part, so I've never videoed home decor before, so this was like my first time. So I'm sure like after I do it a while and kind of get the hang of it, it will be a lot easier, but bear with me guys, I'm kind of like all over the place with the camera, you might think, but like I'm learning how to video this home decor. So you guys can see they did have a lot, and there's right there some more elephants. There's this Eiffel Tower I thought was super cool. I used to be like obsessed with Eiffel Tower in Paris, so they did have like a lot of different like Eiffel Towers. And then there's these trays right here. I thought they were like would be perfect for like an accent piece on like a coffee table or something. They had quite a few of them, and they were only $7.99. And there was like different colors, different shades of silver and gold and stuff. And then there's another tray right here. I thought this one was really cool because it is like fur lined. So the inside of the tray is like fur, and it's super, super soft. I thought that was cool. And then they had these huge lions. I'm not sure how much they were. I could not pick the lion up and video at the same time. It's something that would have definitely took both hands. But now I'm going to be moving on over to the other aisle, and this is like more gold and black and white things. Like they have some more elephants, like I said, some different like little love sign that's gold. And you guys can see they have like a lot of a variety of different things. More elephants, monkeys, just a lot of different home decor. And there is this candle thing right here. I thought that was cool, and I think that is a really good deal because I think those are pretty expensive normally. So now I'm going to be moving on over to the plants. You guys can see they have a lot of different little plants. These are all like fake plants you can use for some decor. A little succulent. I thought that was super cute. And again, I'm not going to be able to show you guys like every price for every plant, but I'm going to show you guys like what I can get to and show you guys. I just can't show everything or I would be there forever. But I thought these were cute right here. They're like a box. Like I think you would put this on like your window or something. It's super cute, I thought. And that's all the plants. And now I'm going to be doing like picture frames and pictures. They did have quite a few picture frames. I thought these two were really cute for like a living room or something. And I think they are pretty well priced actually, because I was looking at some picture frames like this on Amazon, and they were a lot more expensive than, like Amazon was more expensive than Burlington's, and I was shocked. So then they had like individual little picture frames like this. They had quite a few of those, but mostly they had a ton of like pictures, decor pictures, which I'll get to here in a minute. But first I did see these little stools that are unicorns, and I thought they were so cool. I do have like a bunch of unicorn stuff for my daughter, and it was so tempting to get these, but they were like $20 and I passed on them. But I thought they were so cute for like a little girl's room or something. And then now there is this ottoman, and I do like this too. It does open up for storage, and it does have like the little diamonds in the cushion. I thought this was so cool. I've been wanting one like this, but it was $100. Let me read the tag. $119. So I think that is a good deal, especially if you're like purchasing at a furniture store. So that is really a good deal. I'm not really sure how much they are on Amazon. I haven't priced them on Amazon, but they did. Okay, so now I'm getting into like the pictures, and you guys can see there is a lot of different like canvas pictures. There's a lot of different ones, and there's a bunch of like, I'm not sure what they're called, but like Chanel and Louis Vuitton, and like cute little pictures like this, like you would put in like a beauty room maybe or something. They had a ton of those. Like there's a whole aisle I'm getting ready to show you guys of pictures like this. So every time I go here, they always have a lot of like Chanel and like pictures like I'm showing you guys right now, and they are so cute. They're always so cute. I can never decide on which one I like more to purchase, because I think the pictures like this would be so cute in like a beauty room around your makeup or whatever. I really like this one right here. I think this one's super cute, and they are really reasonable price. Like this one's $12.99, and I think that's a really good deal. And this one I thought was so cute because it has a little Yorkie in the bag, and I do have a Yorkie dog. And most of these are BB, so I'm not really sure how much they would be full price, but they are like $9.99 and $14.99 for this one. I thought this one was super cute. And then we have a Dior nail polish one. I thought that was super cute too. Like, I like all of these. Like, they're so cute. Like, I would buy all of them if I could. And then this one was super cute, I thought, because it's not really like girly. It's kind of like, it looks like an ocean behind the Chanel sign. So I thought that was really cute. And then I did see these ones, and it's like some roses in a Louis Vuitton chest, and I thought that was really cute too. They were $24.99. And like, again, I'm not sure what is a good price for canvas pictures. That's just not something I've ever really looked at different places. But like I said, my Burlington's always has a ton of these, and I love them. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.